Problem 7. Shauna takes 5 tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points. He scores on the first 3 tests a 76, a 94, and an 87. In order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what is the lowest score she could earn on one of the 2 other tests? So plus 94, right? And then we add this with 87. And then let's say the other 2 tests is X and Y. We have a 5 test total, so divide this by 5 will give you the average score, which is 81. He wants to average an 81. So with this information, what is the sum of these 3 terms? Well, sum of 76 and 94, that gives you 0, 170 plus 87 will give you 257. So 257 plus x, right, plus y would give you 405. In other words, x plus y must give you 8 for 1. It gives you 148 in total. So what is the in order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what is the lowest score she could earn on one of the other 2 tests? So if we were to divide the 148 by 2, right, that would give you 74. So that is the 74 plus 74 is equal to 148. And that would just mean that the lowest score she can earn on the other 2 tests is not necessarily 74, right? Because we can be lower. It could be like a 73 with a 75. That would still work. So it cannot be 74. That's out the way. 74, I believe, is just like a reference point for you to understand like where I can go about making this happen. But one thing to realize here is that the largest score is 100. So if x plus y is equal to 148, and that means I can score 100 on one of them, and that would leave me with the lowest possible score for the other one, because that way we maximize y and therefore minimize x. So if y is equal to 100, then x is equal to 48. Notice that this score difference is much larger than the 74-74 average, so it has to be 48, not 74. Therefore, your answer choice is answer choice A.